You are fighting, you're pushing, you're angry. You use your money, your influence, your position, your power to push some doors, to bring certain things your way. You're doing everything you can. You're passing crooked paths. You're going places you're not supposed to go. Child of God, do you ask God if that is yours to take? Do not be busy fighting to acquire things that are not yours to acquire. Some of them, you hold them in your hand, it will slip through your fingers. Did you ask God if that thing you're fighting for is yours to take? You should. You should. Some things are not meant for us to hold in our hands. Child of God, counsel with your Father in heaven first. Pray about it first. And wait. Wait.